designated position. Moving to Overwatch.
So how careful can we be?
Rolling out.
Moving to Overwatch.
Alright, here we go. For some reason, opening the door and not seeing anyone, although we totally do see someone, is worse. I don't know how, but it is.
Closing on target
Julie,
position
you're
now.
leading the way for us.
Overwatch.
I'm on it.
I'm on it.
Come get some.
Damn it. Alright. Astrid.
Orders
let's
confirmed.
pop 'em.
Moving out.
Really? Okay, it's like, what, out there? Is that what's happening right now? Ugh, such a...
Roger that.
I don't like it. There they are. Oh, fucking mech. We're so screwed.
This is an extremely well-equipped mechanized combat unit. We'll need to look for vulnerabilities if we're going to take that thing out.
Oh, 3 armor and so much health. We are so fucked.
Deflection.
Bombs
Shred
away.
1 armor. Do some damage. Oh, she's already at half. I need the shot. I need the shot to kill it, or it's gonna do its missiles, and which is gonna just really end us. Oh no,
Hit the armor.
Klaus! You don't even see him. Okay.
Closing on target position now.
Klaus! Yes! True facts, Klaus is the greatest. He's just the
Hostile
greatest.
neutralized.
But now everyone's gonna die. Oh shit. Oh no.
They're repositioning on us.
Julie!
Tell my kids.
Wow, that's brutal. That is so brutal.
Take him out now! Damn it now!
It doesn't at least do anything. Let's kill the one that's flanking us. Hey! You just say that, it works. That's cool.
Target neutralized.
Of course, I can't move to kill this guy.
Heading there now.
No, I can't. Come on! Yes. He's gonna go and kill someone else now.
Adjusting sights.
He's gonna move over, what, right here?
They're backing up. Advance.
God, they have so much movement. We're recovered from your cry fest.
It's still moving.
How are my rangers hitting at the same
Order
distance
confirmed. On the move.
more than my sniper is? Klaus! The man, Klaus.
Hostile neutralized. Running dry on ammo.
I don't know what the hell we're going to do. We
Moving
have to
out.
run to the evac.
Moving to Overwatch.
Got it covered.
Affirmative. Moving out.
You heard the doctor. Secure that canister.
So what's our way out? And there's probably a turret here. I guarantee you there's a turret there. There's totally a turret there. It's gonna fuck our day up. So the way out is through this window and up these stairs. So we want to deploy to the left.
Orders confirmed. On the move.
As soon as we grab the stuff, I think
Rolling out.
a group spawns. Oh. Nope, there was already a
I've
group.
got eyes on Advent troops.
I think this is gonna do us in.
Understood. Moving out. Scanning.
Affirmative. Covering now. On the move.
He's gonna come in, eat up all the launches and stuff. He's gonna come in and kill one of us.
Ugh, come on.
Wow, he didn't. Oh, no, because there's two of them. There's three of them. Close. And someone's gonna panic. Someone's gonna panic. Alright guys. That's a wash. That's a wash. We are not gonna win this fight. Or we've lost this. We've lost the war. Oh, it wasn't even a critical. It didn't even finish it off.
Guns dry.
Enemy eliminated.
It's all over. Ah. Oh no. Reanimated our own guys.
This is bad.
Oh no. Oh Jesus. Those stun lancers.
Commander, we can't afford to take losses like this. The objective isn't worth the lives of our remaining troops. I'd recommend we abort while we still can.
Thanks, Central. Thanks, but it's too late. There's nothing we can
Position
do.
confirmed.
At the very least, we can end it. We're not gonna go out without a fight. I mean, we're gonna go out, but not without killing one guy. Two guys. Even if he misses here, it doesn't matter. Ah.
Armor still holding.
Ah, he missed.
Incoming fire! Back online!
Who's gonna win? He is, most likely.
It hit the plate!
Wow.
They're all over me!
Wow. I can't believe it. He's still missing. 45 or 100. I don't think it's going to be able to kill him though, unless it crits. And then, no. And here we go.
Hard target, minimal damage.
If he misses again, then I just understand it's totally playing with you. Wow. Wow.
Taking fire over here!
The great duel. The great stun lancer sharpshooter duel of 2016. How did that happen?
Enemies down!
How did he? I want to see if I can win with just him.
No need to ask twice!
Like, my game's over because I've lost too many guys, I think, but I want to see if I can.
Orders confirmed, on the move.
Because that would be... Well, actually, let's not take the vial. Let's take the vial and then be able to move.
Holding position. Tech guys will love this. Guessing that's not water in there.
Dude,
Shen,
MVP.
any readings?
No signs of radioactivity, no significant energy signatures of any kind. Whatever it is, it's safe to handle.
We've confirmed acquisition of the sample. Move to rendezvous at the extraction point. Looks like they called in some friends.
MVP!
Rolling out.
Oh my god, I'm gonna win this. I'm going to make it. As long as they don't have a guy that overwatches, just don't overwatch. Oh my god. MVP! MVP! I can't believe it. I'm gonna win this mission with one guy. With the sniper who went 10 rounds with it. I can't. Evac.
I'm going.
I have to see this success.
Avenger, this is Firebrand.
Oh
Package is
my
secure.
God.
All surviving XCOM operatives are secure. Firebrand returning to
Holy
base.
shit.
Status
I'm done.
confirmed.
I'm done.
Commander,
I
we infiltrated the
can't.
facility
And this is
and recovered
too
a
much.
sample of whatever.
Okay, well, Klaus. We lost Klaus, but what a way to win, you know? What a way to win. It's literally, I believe, a 75% chance to hit with that stun lancer every attack. It's 75% chance, and he's flanking me, so for him to miss 4 times in a row, and I can just pistol him to death, that to me is amazing. That is just amazing. Wow. MVP. Freaking sharpshooter, man.
I can't help but feel somewhat responsible. If only there was more we could do for our troops.
White, Squatty White. Donnie White. Man, you are a steely-eyed missile man. Yeah, you're gonna take this return fire. That was amazing.
Now that we've recovered the apparent product of the Black Site facility, I imagine it will take considerable time and resources to uncover the true purpose of this substance.
Yeah, we don't have enough
I will begin preparations for a complete analysis immediately, Commander.
Like any
Having now
squad.
seen the inner workings of the Black Site facility, the outcome is perhaps even more troubling than I had expected.
I am
It
more
is
than
clear
amazed.
the aliens have undertaken a gruesome task.
Okay.
I will leave this
Okay,
matter
guys,
for
I
you
can't
to
play another
investigate,
mission.
Commander.
New objective.
I can't play
added.
another mission.
We're getting
after
thin
this.
on manpower, Commander.
We're saving. Not that I think I'm gonna continue this game because it's just we're way too far behind, but I can't play after that. That was too ridiculous. This is the most ridiculous thing I think I've ever seen. All right, guys. Good.